In this video, I'm going to take you through how you set up your own account, which is what you'll need to do before you start assessing your patients and clients. Now, if you have any questions along the way, we've created a number of great resources around the Measurz app to help you get started. And that includes obviously this training portal, and we've got some step-by-step approach in how you can set up the MAT app. We've also got protocols for the 400 plus tests that are in the app itself. We also have our Measurz community, which is a great place to go and interact with all the other Measurz users, and that's in the helpful links at the top of this training portal. We also have a Measurz and MAT help portal, which has got a list of commonly or frequently asked questions that you can also refer to, and that's accessible via the link in the helpful links, or you can also access that in our chat widget, which is in the bottom left-hand side of the corner of this screen. If you also want to chat with us, that's a great place to do that as well. We also have a feature request and a roadmap, so you can keep up to date with all of the great things we're doing with Measurz and how we're progressing it, seeing what's coming next, and request features that you'd love to see in the app. And we'd always love to hear from you because we're creating this app for you, our Measurz users. So, as I said, before we get started assessing our clients, we need to create our profile, and I'm going to start to take you through that right now. So when you come to the home screen of the app, I'm going to assume that if you're in this training portal, you've already signed up. If not and you're having issues, make sure you reach out via the chat button in the bottom left-hand corner of this page, but it's quite straightforward. But if you create an account, like I have here, linked to my Google authentication, so all I simply do is tap that button. If you've created it with an email and password, you obviously enter that in on the home screen and push login. But I'm just going to go ahead and authenticate this with my Google account here, and that'll log me in to the app. Now, if you haven't been in before, it will take you to the profile settings to set this up, or if you try and assess a client and haven't set this up, it will also take you there first. But if you want to locate your account, you just head to the, you just click in the top left-hand corner of the app there, go to settings and go to my accounts. And you can see my profile is already set up here with a nice picture of Carl, my golden retriever cross. And you come in here and enter in your details. So obviously you pop in your name, your phone number, your email address, which will be the same one that you use to log into the app. And then this next section here is super important because you can't change this once you've created your account. So make sure you get this right first time. So you can come in there and you can either select metric or centimeters in that case, or you can select imperial or inches, and same thing with kilograms or pounds. That's really important because that's how the app's going to display the data in your app when you're working with your patients and clients. So make sure you select the one that's most appropriate for you when you're setting up the account. Tip number one. Obviously, you can then go ahead and put your location in there. You can also enter in your business details too. And this is really important because this is going to go to the top right-hand corner of your Measurz reports that you send to your clients. So make sure you pop that in there as well because that's going to populate it. With the profile picture, you can see that I've got a picture of Carl in there. This is actually a great spot to put your business logo because that's going to go onto the top left-hand corner of the page. If you don't have one, or you prefer to have a picture of yourself on the top of the report, if you're a solo practitioner working with your clients, go ahead and pop a picture of yourself in there as well, and that'll get populated onto the report as well. You can also put any other infographics or things in there that you think might be useful for your patients or clients that you're working with. Okay, and then once you've done all that, you just hit save, and as soon as you do that, that'll update your profile and you're ready to get testing. Pretty simple.